So here the question is, the curve C has equation y equal to ax cube plus bx square minus 12x plus 6, where a, b are the constant. The point A with coordinate 2 minus 6 lies on the curve, and the gradient of the curve A is 16. We have to find the y coordinate of the point on the curve whose x coordinate is 3, and we have to show all the algebraic working. So now 2 comma minus 6 is a point on the curve. That means I can substitute y with minus 6 and x with 2. It will satisfy this equation. Second, the gradient of the curve is given 16. Gradient is what? Dy by dx. So I will differentiate this equation and I will equate that with 0. Okay. That gradient is um, the gradient of the curve at A means at this particular point only. So when x is 2, my dy by dx value is 0. So I will get two equations, and here I have two unknown a and b. So two algebraic equations, two linear equations with two unknown can be solved simultaneously. Let us see how it is done. Okay. So first two, I will say that 2 comma minus 6 is a point on curve. This is a point on the curve. So therefore, I can say minus 6 is equal to, the value of x is what? 2. So it's 2 cube times a plus 2 square times b minus 12 times the value of x is 2 plus c. Okay. So therefore, I have an equation minus 6 is equals to 8a plus 4b minus 24 plus 6. So that is, I have 8a plus 4b is equal to, now this will be equal to 24. We'll move on that side, it will become plus. So 24 minus this 6 will move, it will become minus 6. So minus 6 minus 6 is minus 12. So this is 12. So this is my one equation. Now 4 you can take common. So it is 2 times a plus b is equals to 12. So this gives you one equation. 2a plus b is equals to 3. Okay, this is my first equation. Now I will differentiate this. I will find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be 3a times x square plus 2b times x minus 12. Yes, this is my derivative, and derivative at a, dy by dx at point A. Now the coordinate of point A is 2 comma minus 6. So x I will replace with 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. So it is 12a plus x I am replacing with 2. So 2 to the 4b minus 12. Okay. And at point A, what it said that the gradient of the curve is 16. So this value is given 16. So 16 is 12 times A plus 4 times B minus 12. So this minus 12 will come here. I have 12A plus 4B is equals to, it's 28. So 4 I will take common. So it's 3A plus B is equals to 28. This gives me the value of 3a plus b as 7. So this is my second equation. Now I have equation 1 here. Okay, from equation 1 I can say that b is equals to 3 minus 2a. Okay, I will use the substitution method. So I will say that therefore 3 times a plus 3 minus 2 times a is equals to 7. This is from 1. Okay, so therefore it's a equal to 7 minus 3 is equals to 4, and b is 3 minus 2 times 4 is equals to 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is what? Minus 5. So value of a is 4 and value of b is minus 5. This is the value of a and b we get. Now next what we have to do, we have to find the y coordinate of the point on the curve whose x coordinate is 3. So therefore first I will write y. So my y value is y equation of y. What we can say that equation of y is, it's ax cube. Now what is a? The value of a is 4. So y is what? 4x cube. Value of b is minus 5x square minus 12x plus 6. So this is my y. And y for x is equals to 3. It will be 4 times 3 cube minus 5 times 3 square minus 12 times 3 plus 6. Okay. So this is minus 27 4 times. Let us use the calculator. So it's 4 times 3 cube minus 5 times 9 minus 12 times 3 12 times 3 plus 6. So we get this answer as 33. So the value of y when x is 3 is 33. So very good question. Okay, very good question. Uh, two A point is given on the curve and gradient of the curve is given at the point. And in the curve we have two unknowns. So first we have to find those unknowns and then we have to find the value of y when x is given 3.